नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं रीना और आप देख रहे हैं एक्सपो मीडिया। और आज मैं आई हूं कवर अप करने इंडिया वेयर हाउसिंग एक्सपो 2025। जो ये इवेंट हो रहा है वो हो रहा है यशोभूमि द्वारका सेक्टर 25 में। इसकी टाइमिंग है 10 to 6। और अगर आप इस इवेंट का हिस्सा बनना चाहते हैं तो इसके आपको रजिस्ट्रेशन करना होगा। रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑनलाइन और ऑफलाइन दोनों अवेलेबल है। ऑनलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए आप इसकी वेबसाइट पर जाइए, अपनी बेसिक डिटेल्स फिल करिए, आपका रजिस्ट्रेशन हो जाएगा। तो चलिए जल्दी से अंदर चलते हैं। बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे कि कौन कौन से प्रोजेक्ट्स अभी आने वाली है। आइए मेरे साथ, लेट्स गो। सो यस गाइस, अभी मैं आ चुकी हूँ हॉल में और आपको मैं बता दूँ कि जो ये इवेंट की डेट्स है वो है 26 to 28। सो चलिए, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स आप देख सकते हैं। यहाँ पे एशटैग है, सुदेश ग्रुप है, एपीएल अपोलो है। तो जल्दी से चलते हैं, सबसे बात करते हैं और जानते हैं क्या क्या प्रोजेक्ट्स के साथ वो आए हैं और क्या उनका पर्पस है इस इवेंट में आने का। आइए मेरे साथ। सो हाय एवरीवन, मेरे साथ है मिस्टर मुकेश। सर, मुझे आपसे ये जानना है कि आपका पर्पस क्या है एग्जीबिशन में आने का एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ मैसेज यू आर कन्वेइंग टू द ऑडियंस राइट नाउ।
Hi. So our main purpose is, there has been change in the emission norms from the government side.
ओके
To comply with those emission norms, we have launched two new products
ओके
with two engines, the special engines, जो ये सारे आपका नए emission norms को comply करेंगे, less pollution, more productivity. So we were launching those products. So that is why we participated in these exhibitions, so that we can display it. We call a lot of customers so that they can know that the new products are there. And this has been a good change by the government. The industry has been struggling from pollution for a very long time. So in product के आने से अभी pollution भी कम हो जाएगा, emission norms will be better, productivity बढ़ जाएगी customers की. तो everybody is liking it. और इवन हमारा जो पहला लॉट आ रहा है इन सारे इक्विपमेंट्स का वो पूरा सोल्ड आउट हो गया यहाँ पर आके. सो इट्स बीन अ रियली ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस फॉर अस टू लॉन्च दीज प्रोडक्ट्स. सो दैट वाज द मेन पर्पस. ऑल्सो we launched some lithium ion technology, again new
Can we
technology in the
showcase to our
battery.
audience what exactly you have launched this
Yeah,
right
this
now?
is the one. Which one product?
Okay
This is with Euro 5 engine,
okay
the new product which is hot selling right now.
Okay.
Then this is another product which we have launched. This is with a lithium ion battery.
okay
वेरी एफिशिएंट बैटरीज, वेरी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग बैटरीज. कन्वेंशनल बैटरीज 3-4 साल में चेंज हो जाती हैं, ये बैटरी 10 साल चलती है.
okay
So
what
very
about
hot
other
product.
tools?
Other are our regular products
okay
which we brought also, so that we can have a complete package.
okay
क्या होता है, मटेरियल आप कोई भी इंडस्ट्री रन करते हो तो शुरुआत होता है रॉ मटेरियल रिसीविंग से लेके मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करने के बाद स्टोरेज, फिर डिस्पैच. तो
okay
ये सारे इक्विपमेंट्स उसमें काम आते हैं. जब आप रॉ मटेरियल अनलोड कर ले उसके लिए फोकलिफ्ट लगेगी, फिर आप यूपीटी यूज़ करोगे, देन यू यूज़ रीच ट्रक टू कीप द मटेरियल इन द स्टॉक, देन यू फाइनली डिस्पैच विद द हेल्प ऑफ फोकलिफ्ट. सो ऑल दिस मटेरियल फ्लो वी हैव शोकेस द इक्विपमेंट सो दैट कस्टमर कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि कैसे मटेरियल फ्लो होगा और कौन सा इक्विपमेंट कहाँ यूज़ करना है. सो दैट इज़ द मेन क्राइटेरिया. दैट इज़ व्हाई वी ब्रॉट सो मेनी इक्विपमेंट्स हियर.
okay any
Yeah.
one message you wanted to give to the audience, those who are not the part of this exhibition and they're watching through our channel, to you?
See, regulation change is a big thing now, and environment policies, cleanliness, less pollution are gearing up. So now Toyota have all the right products in the portfolio. So you can visit our website, contact us through our website. We have a very interactive website. You can get the quotes also. So feel free to contact for any requirements. So we are here in India now with all our force, all our products. So yeah, we are changing the industry scenario now. So we'll catch up if we have more people on board.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much for interacting with Expo Media. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
सो हाय एवरीवन, अब हम चलते हैं जिंदल स्टील के बूथ पर। हम बहुत सारे नए प्रोडक्ट्स जो उन्होंने लॉन्च किए वो देखेंगे, क्या उनका प्रोसेस है और जिंदल किस तरीके से डिफरेंट है बाकी कॉम्पिटिटर से, वो अब उनसे जानते हैं। आइए मेरे साथ। चलिए गाइस, अब हम चलते हैं एक साइड के बूथ में। उन्होंने कुछ नए बैटरीज लॉन्च किए हैं, वो किस चीज़ के लिए काम होता है और कैसा उसका काम है, मैं आपको सब दिखाती हूँ। आइए मेरे साथ। जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे दो बैटरी उन्होंने लॉन्च की। एक साइड में एक है मेगा चार्ज और दूसरा है मोटिव पावर। बेसिकली ये टारगेट करते हैं एमएचई कंपनीज और मैन्युफैक्चरर्स को, जैसे कि टोयोटा हो गया, नीलकमल हो गया, इस टाइप सी कंपनीज के लिए। अगर आप ये प्रोडक्ट परचेस करना चाहते हैं तो आप इन लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन पे सारी डिटेल्स है, आप उनसे जाके चेक कर सकते हैं, उनकी इन्फॉर्मेशन, उनकी वेबसाइट डिटेल्स चेक कर सकते हैं, या उनको डायरेक्टली कॉल कर सकते हैं अगर ये बैटरीज आपको परचेज करना हो तो। चलिए ये चलते हैं हम किसी और बूथ में और जानते हैं कि आज उन्होंने क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट्स लेकर आए हैं, फिर से क्या उनकी सर्विसेज हैं और क्या उनके प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं। आइए मेरे साथ। सो हाय फ्रेंड्स, मेरे साथ है मिस्टर अजय. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू नो फ्रॉम यू कि आप अभी क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट्स शोकेस कर रहे हैं, आपके प्रोडक्ट्स एंड सर्विसेज क्या हैं, और आप अपने मैसेज कस्टमर्स को क्या मैसेज कन्वे करना चाहेंगे.
Sure. Thanks for speaking to me.
Yeah.
So basically हमारा जो कंपनी है इट्स ए यूएस बेस्ड कंपनी और हमने यहाँ पे वेयर हाउस रिलेटेड प्रोडक्ट्स को शोकेस किया हुआ है. वी आर रफली 54-year-old कंपनी और हमारी एक्सपर्टीज़ है स्पेसिफिकली मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड वेयर हाउसिंग में, जहाँ पे जो एज पे काम होता है, जो एंड यूज़र जो काम करता है उनको हम टूल्स देते हैं काम करने के लिए. जो डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ डिवाइसेस होता है वो हम मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं.
Okay.
इट्स ए वेरी यूनिक थिंग. वी आर द मार्केट लीडर्स विद अ टर्नओवर ऑफ रफली $5 billion ग्लोबली. इंडिया में हम लोग कम से कम 22-25 साल से काम कर रहे हैं एंड अभी मार्केट ऐसी है कि देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ डेवलपमेंट दैट इज़ हैपनिंग विद वेयर हाउसिंग एंड काफ़ी सारा टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट हो रहा है. बारकोड स्कैनिंग 20 साल पहले भी था, अभी भी है, लेकिन उसको यूटिलाइज करने का तरीका, एप्लीकेशन एंड नीड ऑफ द कस्टमर्स सारे चीज़ चेंज हो गए. तो उस हिसाब से हम नए नए डिवाइसेस, नए एप्लीकेशन के हिसाब से यूनिट्स लेके आए हैं जो लोगों को पसंद भी आ रहा है.
ओके, आप ये कुछ न्यू लॉन्च प्रोडक्ट्स हैं अभी जो आप मुझे शोकेस करना चाहेंगे प्लीज़.
थोड़े कंसेप्ट्स हैं जो न्यू है एंड हमने जिस तरह से स्टडी किया था मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री एंड वेयर हाउसिंग इंडस्ट्री को, वो कंसेप्ट्स उनके बहुत ही रेलेवेंट चीज़ें हैं. तो व्हाट वी विल ट्राई टू डू इज़ टू डेमोन्स्ट्रेट यू दैट एंड देन वी कैन टेक इट टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल.
फाइन.
सो इन द अर्लियर पास्ट व्हाट वी यूज्ड टू डू इज़, जब मुझे कोई बॉक्स को शिप करना है, तो अगर आपको पता है सबसे एक्सपेंसिव चीज़ क्या होती है शिपिंग में?
चार्जेस.
हवा.
ओके.
If you ship a lot of air in a container, that's
Okay.
a lot of cost going there. You're not utilizing it. So how do I find out what is getting loaded? How I find out is by knowing the right dimension of boxes and fitting it into the container logically. अभी डायमेंशन यूज़ करने के लिए हमको पुराने ज़माने में मीटर टेप हो गया. आई यूज्ड टू टेक अ मीटर टेप एंड मैं डिस्टेंस देखता था. अभी what we have done is we have added some special functionality to the device.
ओके.
And इसी functionality से I am able to take a dimension on an electronic format.
ओके.
सो जो बंदा बॉक्स रिसीव करता है वो इमीडिएटली इससे अपना डायमेंशंस चेक करके उसके हिसाब से वॉल्यूमेट्रिक वेट के हिसाब से चार्जिंग कर सकता है.
दैट्स ग्रेट.
सो दैट इज़ टोटली डिफरेंट टू व्हाट वी यूज्ड टू डू अर्लियर.
ओके.
This is the dimensioning app.
ओके.
आप just scan any barcode if you have, or just put the box ID.
ओके.
Once you have the box ID, or you can just start dimensioning. So once you pinpoint here,
ओके.
and you have to just confirm. So it gives you all the length, width, and height of the box.
दैट्स ग्रेट. क्वाइट.
And you can actually, based on that, you can use this information in your application and calculate the volumetric weight.
दैट्स
So आप ये
ग्रेट.
सोचिए somebody is coming as a courier guy to your place, is picking up the boxes, he doesn't know what is the volumetric weight or
Exactly.
weight. You can do the dimension, do the data entry and then proceed from there. So this is only enhancing what they're using.
Yes.
That's what we mean. Now here's a small concept where we've got a printer, the printer does the job, it prints the label, but there are always a problem whether the printer is printing the right data or not.
Okay.
So can I connect a scanner over here,
ओके.
scan it and send the data back to the server to know whether what has been printed is scannable or not, because there are a lot of
Okay.
products that get labels which are non-scannable.
एग्जैक्टली.
So this is a concept. Is this new or is this new? No, but the way the concept it is a new approach. Now again, if I've got tools where I have got barcodes moving at a high speed, I want to scan them, I want to get the data at a very high speed.
ओके.
If you see, you cannot physically see the barcodes over there.
यस.
But if you see over there, I'm able to read each and every barcode at a high speed.
Yes.
So considering a bottling plant, consider a liquor plant where multiple bottles are getting manufactured, I want to keep reading the data.
ओके.
That's the approach that you see. So
That's
what we have
great.
got is a specialized vision camera, which are using kind of AI also in there where it's matching. So it can also be tuned where it can reject a wrong barcode, and it can also find out flaws in each bottle if it has any. So it will
Okay.
match it with the database that it has and the images that it has, and then it will come out with the result of that. That's an interesting
That's
concept. Again, a dimensioning using a 3D sensor, much
Okay.
more accurate than that, right? Now, we can then, these are different vision related products. These are for the improvement and optimizing the setup, right?
ओके.
So now let's go to the next concept.
फाइन.
This is a small demonstration that is being given right now where what he's trying to explain is today's worker is using a handheld terminal like that
Okay.
to do the activity. So he's doing a scan activity, typical activity, location scan करेगा, product scan करेगा और product को उठा के दूसरी जगह पे रख के फिर location scan करेगा.
Okay.
So if you see, he has got the handled on the waist, right, on his shoulder. He scans this. Again, he has to go there. Now,
Okay.
if you look at a concept, now it will look very simple, but if you think of it this way, I've got a worker who handles 50,000 boxes a day
Yeah.
or 5,000 boxes a day.
Yes.
What if I give them an ability to scan only 10% extra? If he does
Okay.
5,500 instead of 5,000. Now, if you look at some companies which are handling millions of parcels per day, the manpower reduction is much higher. So that's
Yes.
the concept. So this is what he is doing using the physical handled scanners, which is the current technology in use.
So I'm just leaving this. मैं यहाँ पर रखूँगा और मैंने छोड़ रहा हूँ। बस ठीक है, I have to pick this up again.
दिस इज़ अ स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेशन इन अ वेयरहाउस. मैं एक जगह से मटेरियल उठा रहा हूँ और दूसरी जगह पे रख रहा हूँ. मैं पिक ऑर्डर के हिसाब से उठा के स्टेजिंग एरिया में रख रहा हूँ. इसके बाद वो लोडिंग होगा.
Yes.
दिस इज 3 स्कैन प्रोसेस एंड ये करेंटली I think we must have sold some thousands and thousands of devices which are being used with most of the manufacturers.
Yes.
So this is a existing concept.
Okay.
Now what is shifting over to a wearable concept.
Okay.
Now he's going to wear those devices on his hand. This is a wearable device.
Okay.
The guy will wear this device and do the activity.
So जो आपका TC57 or 58, what you saw, also can be mounted like this. Okay, I'm pairing with the same rings kind of what you're using, same model.
Okay.
What if you look at this we have done a 10 picks of this. It is paused here. I am going to do a similar activity and should see an improvement. This is what the process improvement which will do. This is by doing this, end result is that in the same 8-hour shift, what we are going to do is that we will do more picks with the same person who was using another kind of a form factor. It's just a change in the form factor, and we will see. Okay. Now, as soon as I scan the first, the meter will start on that side. So it's the same application. Okay. There is no change. कोई slow down वगैरह कुछ नहीं कर रखा हुआ. Okay. Paisa, as usual. I can pair it from that screen also. Okay, so it can read from the screen. You see, suddenly it get paired there.
So he's going to do the same process again.
Yes.
Okay.
What is happening, if you see, is this is the way you are increasing the efficiency of a person who has already been doing this activity.
Okay.
So the idea is, how can I get more out of what I already have? And wearable is the new concept in.
Okay.
And then the wearables, we have got the wrist mount, we have got even goggles, which
Okay.
can be used for certain activities. That is basically eyewear that can
Okay.
be used. So multiple kind of utilizations there. Again, depending on customer needs, we have modified a multiple kind of scanners which can be utilized in this format.
That's great. So yes guys, आपने देखा कि मिस्टर अजय ने हमें बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स और बहुत सारी चीज़ें टेक्नोलॉजीज़ के बारे में हमें अभी बताया किस तरीके से वो काम करता है, क्या उसका प्रोसेस है. अगर आपको कोई भी डिटेल्स चाहिए उनसे या कुछ भी इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए इसके अलावा तो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में डिटेल्स से आप जाकर उनसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं वेबसाइट के थ्रू या फिर उन पर डायरेक्ट कॉल भी कर सकते हैं. थैंक्स अ लॉट. तो चलिए आइए चलते हैं हम किसी और ब्रांड की तरफ और जानते हैं कि उनकी क्या प्रोसेस है. सो हाय एवरीवन, मेरे साथ है मिस्टर मधु कुमार और ये है वीपी. सर मुझे आपसे ये जानना है कि व्हाट इज़ योर प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विसेज और किस पर्पस के लिए आप यहाँ पर आए हैं. व्हाट एग्जैक्टली मैसेज यू कन्वेइंग टू योर कस्टमर.
Yeah, thank you so much for giving your time to me. It's a
Yeah.
privilege to be here. I think this is the second time that we are associated with IWS,
Okay.
and it's been a great turnout. Coming back to your question, right? We are a tech-driven supply chain company,
Okay.
and depending on the customer appetite, we focus on hardcore supply chain activities and the tech part. So that's how we call ourselves as a cost-effective yet innovative 4PL. One of the premium players in India.
Okay. So what exactly message you're conveying to the audience and how you are different from your competitors?
Very, very good question. I think it's a decade-old company. Our value proposition has been, bringing the respect for logisticians.
Okay.
And, we are part of MSME. Our objective is taking people out of MSME bracket. Like, we work with bracket from 5 CR to 8,000 CR. Our value proposition is innovative yet cost effective solution. So that's our USP, I would say.
Okay. Who are your target audience, and are you looking for any franchisee?
Very interesting question. Franchisee is going to be our 9th services.
Okay.
Yes, we do. And our target audiences are FMEG, FMCG, pharmaceutical, cold chain, and the auto and the e-commerce.
Okay.
Yeah.
Apart from the professional question, I just wanted to know one more thing from you. You are already in this business, work, but somewhere your CEO is like, into the business. And I just want, can you give any message to the young entrepreneurs and to the youngsters right now, those who wanted to be in this part and they are, trying to make their career?
I think a very interesting shift. I roll up to CEO. I think my CEO worked for 20 years, then he shifted from working for someone to working for himself. I think my key message is we need to take a bold step. You have a clarity in your thought in terms of what you want to do, have a focused sector that you want to target, start small, stabilize and go bigger. That's my
great.
message.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir, for connecting with Expo Media. Thanks a lot. It was a great interaction.
Pleasure talking to you.
सो हाय फ्रेंड्स, मेरे साथ है मिस्टर विनीत और ये है BDM। सर, मुझे आपसे जानना है कि बेसिकली आपकी जो ब्रांड है उसकी प्रोडक्ट्स एंड सर्विसेज क्या है, क्या पर्पस है आपका यहाँ पे आने का?
हमारा आने का पर्पस यहाँ पे यही है कि हमारे जो प्रोडक्ट्स है काफ़ी अलग ही हैं। तो ये हमारे स्पाइरल डोर है, तो क्या कहते हैं, इसमें काफ़ी सारे फीचर्स हैं। तो ये हमारा एक्रिलिक है, एक्रिलिक कहते हैं, ये हमारा एल्यूमिनियम का है। तो इसमें क्या कहते हैं हम लोग, इसका जो हम यूज़ करते हैं क्या कहते हैं, एज अ सेफ्टी पर्पज़ के लिए। ये देख सकते हैं हमारा प्रोडक्ट किस तरीके से हमारा वर्क कर रहे हैं हम लोग।
ओके।
तो बेसिकली ये जो हमारा होता है एज पर कस्टमर रिक्वायरमेंट, इसकी हम स्पीड जो होती है मेंटेन रखते हैं।
ओके।
तो इसका जो हमारा यूज़ होता है वेयर हाउसिंग में उसको यूज़ करते हैं।
ओके।
तो क्या कहते हैं, इसका काफ़ी सारा मल्टीपल यूजेस है। तो यही हमारा प्रोडक्ट्स है।
So she's a director and she'll be explaining the more products to us. So yeah.
Hi, thank you for giving me this opportunity. So we are here showcase in IWS our best products.
Okay.
You talk about like when it comes to warehouse, it means a lot of work, lot of operations. Like people are coming, going, stackers are moving, trolleys are coming,
Yes.
forklifts are coming, going, right?
Yes.
Too much work on the speed. So how our doors are helpful? So this is a high-speed door we are placing here. You can see we do have a print.
Okay.
So the print of choice my clients can have.
Okay.
As well as this is very much high end speed. If you see this is so quick. It's so quick. Like within a second, it goes up to 1 meter,
Okay.
and it have the very very high speed, like 2.7 meter per second. It is
Okay.
customizable, adjustable, and you can change it as per the requirement as
Okay.
well. So whenever in a warehouse the finished goods are there, or your not even storage, like operation wise also, you are having 200 operations during the 24 hours or maybe entire day. So this door is very very good, very flexible, very safe door. While
Okay.
it is very important, the safety is very important when our
course.
people are working. And if somebody's come down this door, like you see it's opening, but once it will be closing, if it comes to the head, it will go
Okay.
back. It will touch you and it will go back. So any obstacle down the door, it will not come down, it will go back. Then we
Okay.
do have other safety sensors as well.
Okay,
If this
okay.
door comes out, for example, your forklift bumps into it
Okay.
and this door comes out. So
Okay.
you just do it like this and this door will be repaired automatically.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
So
That's
safety
great.
features are best.
Oh. What about the next one?
Great. So this is a normal rolling shutter, powder coated rolling shutter. Earlier you must have seen that people were used to have these crank handles, moving, and then this used to go up. So much time consuming, then you need labor.
Yes,
but
of
for
course.
this, you just see this, put the button, and the shutter comes so smoothly to the downwards.
Okay.
No
And it can be
noise.
adjustable, right? As per the need.
This is constant almost, and depends on the size as well.
Okay,
If you are
okay.
having the bigger size, things will get impacted.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is normal rolling shutters you can use into the warehouses. Like we do have Safe Express, our client.
Yes.
We have been installing these rolling shutters for a couple of projects.
Okay.
Like in Dadri and Ahmedabad. They are
Okay.
using it and they really talk good about us.
Oh, that's
sometimes you
great.
meet, you should ask them.
Sure, I will.
So we did a Dadri project for them, then the Ahmedabad one.
Okay.
Also, we are doing these loading bay products.
Okay.
Dock levelers.
Okay.
So this is helping you for loading, unloading,
Okay.
for all heavy materials, for
Okay.
heavy industries, then dock shelters, as well as for your corporate house, your any R&D center you would like to use some flap barriers. It
Okay.
can be integrated with your face reader, your RFID, and many other with your existing software. You don't
Okay.
need to buy any other separate software for it. And we do
Okay.
very beautiful designs, sleeker than this, heavier than this, lot many designs. Mostly 10-15 designs you can easily get at
That's
our
great.
office. And these all are the running products. Then we do all kind of metal gates. For
Okay.
your main entrance, metal gates you are being used. Yeah, sliding gates, cantilever gates,
Okay.
retractable gates,
Okay.
and so on. Even we make 7-8 types of gates. And these gates are very, very good and reliable. We have been installing it right from pharma, warehousing, FMCG clients. Like
Okay.
FMCG, if I name some, Adani,
Okay.
Nestle, they are using our gates. And if you
Okay.
talk about pharma, USV Pharma, we do have Lupin Pharma, Aurobindo Pharma, Sun
Okay.
Pharma, all such big clients, you name it and we have it.
Okay.
That's how it is. So the business with integrity and values we are doing, and
okay.
we truly enjoying, and we really, really thank you to our partners, our clients,
Okay.
and the vendors
Any message
who are
about
making
this
us
exhibition?
successful. The exhibition is really, really nice. The way it have been designed this time, we just loved it, and the venue is amazing. Like you wanted to come, you can come by metro and straight land into the exhibition ground. So
yeah.
very convenient. You can come by the cab, and the organizers. Thank you to the organizers who did such a fantastic job. They are doing amazing. They're doing amazing. They have been so helpful. They are always there. They're coming to us, asking everything. Saurabh, I think, taking care for my account, and he's doing indeed a great job.
That's great.
Everything was so near to perfect. So near to perfect.
Okay.
Yeah, truly enjoy.
Thank you so much for interacting with Expo India. Thanks a lot. So hi friends, मेरे साथ है Mr. Sunil. I just wanted to know from you कि आपके products and services क्या हैं और किस purpose के लिए आप यहाँ पर आए हैं?
So basically, we belong to the Asa Abloy group. Asa Abloy is about $13 million in revenue, global revenue.
Okay.
It's a global company having operations in 70 plus countries. और हमारे जो products हैं यहाँ पे, we are catering to different market segments like warehousing segment, logistics, manufacturing, pharma, okay, and semiconductor, precision engineering. So we and we have a factory. हमारी factory जो है वो Greater Noida में है. It's about 1 lakh square feet in area, and we manufacture mostly our industrial products there, which includes some of the warehousing products that we cater to, like the dock levelers, overhead sectional doors, dock shelters, high-speed doors. Okay, some of the safety equipments like the dock barriers.
Okay.
And then we have a range of high-speed doors. Okay, starting with standard ones to some specialized high-speed doors. You
Okay.
can see, these are with some special design features, right? And then we have some of the safety devices that we
Okay.
use in some of the markets like warehousing,
Okay.
where you have mobile devices like trucks and all those things. So
Okay.
we have the vehicle restraint system. Basically, these are called truck locks.
Okay.
So we are a company which offers comprehensive product portfolio. One package at one-stop solution for all the warehousing needs, logistics needs, and manufacturing needs.
Okay. So who are your target audience?
So, as I mentioned, our target audience are warehousing developers, logistic players, 3PL, for
Okay.
example, delivery, e-com
Okay.
commerce,
Okay.
and pharmaceutical companies, semicon manufacturers, for example, Foxconn and some of the other guys. So, I mean, it's a diverse range of market segments and customer segments.
How come you're different from your competitors?
So competitors, most of our competitors are local players. Okay, we are the sole player in the market who have a global presence. Okay, and we have access to global processes, global designs, global
Okay.
portfolio. Okay, we are a mixture of 400 to 500 companies. So
Okay.
that's the kind of bandwidth that we are looking at, which no other player in the market has.
Last but not the least, I just wanted to know that what message you wanted to convey to the audience, those who are actually, watching to you from our channel, but they're not the part of this exhibition.
Okay, so I would like to convey that we are Asa Abloy. We have varied kind of product portfolios which can meet most of your warehousing needs. Our products can go into any market segments like warehousing, logistics, manufacturing, etc. And we are a one-stop solution for all your entrance system needs. I think that's all in one, in a very short sentence.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर इंटरेक्टिंग विद अस। जैसे कि आपने देखा, हमने बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स को कवर किया, बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स फिर नई टेक्नोलॉजीज़ के साथ, तो कोई प्रोडक्ट्स या फिर सर्विसेज के साथ यहाँ पर आए हैं। सो यदि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। एंड यस गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच हमारे साथ एंड तक बने रहने के लिए। आपको जो भी कंपनीज़ या किसी भी प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में या कोई भी सर्विसेज के बारे में कोई भी इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए, सारे ब्रांड्स के डिस्क्रिप्शन में डिटेल्स दिए हैं, वहाँ पे कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर भी है, वेबसाइट भी है, आप जाकर उनसे कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं और इनके प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन ले सकते हैं। So thank you so much. Stay tuned, stay connected. Thanks. Bye bye.